Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have XIAOMI Mix Flip and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. To fix it, go to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo. In it, Settings, Family and their Parental Controls. As you can see now we have PG3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our look screen and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included unrated and confirm by safe. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again. And now it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.